Today we're gonna bring a set of two Type C to Type C nylon USB connection. These are go up to 100 watts, fast charging. If you guys can see, they're well secure. They come with actually a Velcro here, so you can take it off and tie down because these are really long. They give you a couple of feet long, so you won't have a problem if you ever need to extend from the back of the seat of the car to the front if you're going to charge something. And of course, they come with covers, just take them off here. And these are fast charging. If you guys can see the unit, let me see if I can put my hand there. Okay. There you can see the unit. There's a plastic in between the metal, so as a security. So in order to get a fast charge, we're gonna test it out. We have a little tester here that we really like to use. Start charging, and we're getting about 8.1 right now, but it's going up to 8.6 watts. You're not gonna be able to see it that much, but it's about 9, close to 9, 8.6 to 7. So it is fast charging this connection from an actual external battery. We're getting fast good connections, as you can see. So that's not bad. I mean, it's really working. It fluctuates right now. And right now we're at to 6, 7. But because it's the battery, it's actually charging because it's solar. But if you don't do a solar, it's going to go back to 8 to 9. So very simple cable, easy to use, easy and long. I hope you guys enjoy the video.